So in this video, we're going to be looking at how to make use of the autofill tool in Excel. So the Excel autofill features offers the most effective way to save time while filling out a spreadsheet. Most people don't realize that a lot of things that they do manually can be automated. For example, you may want to apply a formula to every second or third row when you drag down to autofill, or you might want to fill in all of the blanks in the sheet. So the way that we go about doing this is in this document here, you can see I've removed all the numbers on this list here, leaving only one. So if I decide to go now and drag autofill this in all the way up to 11, I will do this by selecting the cell, moving my mouse over to where that little green box is in the right hand corner. So my arrow looks like that. Click and drag down. But the problem is that the autofilled was 1 all the way down, but I wanted to count. So the easiest thing to do is to go 1 and then type in 2 and then select both. Now use the autofill option. As you can see, the numbers just to the right of it are constantly changing and updating. So that is how you use autofill for numbers and formulas, and that will be done in the exact same order, exact same fashion.